Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Albania. The link and coupon will be in the description, alright? And let's go. Okay, and this first step, and open description in the video and click on Voyafly eSim link and open voyafly.com website and click on this and write alright, and click on this. Open this page and scroll down and choose a fixed data plan: 1 GB 1 week, 3 GB 2 weeks, 3 GB 30 days and 5 GB 30 days. Alright, and click on buy it now and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Yep, $1.70, that's good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim and write email, write payment and write billing address and click on buy now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.